Here I have BYD CLEU with the BYD infotainment system, and let me show you where you can enable or disable the intelligent cartridge light. So all you need to do is use the home screen. Let's find and select the settings. From the list of settings, all you need to do is choose the first tab, which is the light. Then let's use the upper tabs and choose the cartridge lights. As you can see here, you can find the intelligent cartridge light. This is the switcher for intelligent cartridge light. This is the main master switch for the smart lighting feature. The intelligent cartridge light toggle is this master switch. When this is on, the car automatically manages the exterior light to help you see your surroundings in the dark. So I like to have this feature enabled, and I think you should find this feature in all BYD cars. So let's just look for these settings and enable this amazing smart feature. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.